Exploration led us to Lanta Animal Welfare, and there will be a tour here at 10 o'clock, and right now it's a little bit earlier than that, so you can actually walk the dogs here. We will show you what's everything about later, but now we're getting a dog to take out for a walk. It's pretty neat.
So somebody's trying her luck with Romeo. That is actually supposed to be one of the top attractions here on the island, and we were just surprised how many people showed up within, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. There were probably another 15 people coming wanting to walk dogs. But
you don't remember the name of the island, do you?
Take off the shoes and get in. Oh, lay down.
You're evil.
He's nice, he's just enjoying it. Well, so we just had our tour. Look at that, that's Pri. That was our guide here for the tour. But I think she's getting busy running off for the animals again. No wonder this is really TripAdvisor #1 activity over here on Koh Lanta, and #3 in Thailand, I think, actually. Coming here to the animal welfare in Koh Lanta is really worth doing it. Leave a donation, all of it running, of course, non-profit and not supported by the government, but all surviving on donations. Now, what they showed us around was both the cat house, for which they're trying to raise $50,000, and I think they are close to over 30,000 and wanting to raise a bit more to build a much bigger house for the cats. We have about 45 dogs here. We walked one of them. It is a lot of work, obviously, those guys do here all on a voluntary basis. Stay here for a month, six weeks, or some people for even longer. And yeah, a lot of people coming here. Guys, if you have a chance, animal welfare in Koh Lanta is definitely worth a stop.